So now we have a brief idea about the history of Arabic and that it descends from a proto-Semitic language. So now let's go through some of its general and proto-Semitic features. The Arabic alphabet is not truly an alphabet. It is rather an impure abjad, in that it is made up of consonants and uses symbols or diacritics to represent vowels. The Arabic abjad in its basic form has 28 letters. Some scholars consider the glottal stop, hamza, to be an additional letter, which adds up to 29 letters instead. There is also no distinction between capital or small letters. So, for example, in English, the letter B has a capital and small letter form. However, the letter Ba in Arabic has no distinction between the two. Arabic letters are also written in cursive and even printed in cursive, and they are also written and read from right to left and from the top of the page to the bottom of the page. Since the Arabic abjad is cursive, letters vary in shape depending on their position within the word. So letters can exhibit up to 4 distinct forms: isolated, beginning of the word, middle of the word, and end of the word. The Arabic language has a classical symmetrical 3-vowel system, resulting in 6 phonemic vowels or vowel sound types, 3 long vowels and 3 short vowels. However, the 3 short vowels, which are A, E, and U, are represented with diacritics or markers above or below the letters. Long vowels are rarely followed by more than a single consonant. Clusters containing more than 2 consonants do not occur in the language. In fact, Arabic forbids initial consonant clusters and more than 2 consecutive consonants in other positions, which is typical of most other Semitic languages. If you look at these examples, you will see the pattern. Qala, which means he said, consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant. Shams, which means sun, consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant. Qamar, which means moon, consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant. The literal meaning of tashkil is forming. As the normal Arabic text does not provide enough information about the correct pronunciation, the main purpose of tashkil and harakat are to provide a phonetic guide or a phonetic aid showing the correct pronunciation. The bulk of Arabic script is written without harakat. However, they are commonly used in texts that demand strict adherence to exact wording. This is true primarily of the Quran and poetry. It is also common to add harakat to hadith and to the Bible. Another use is children's literature. Moreover, harakat or short vowels are used in ordinary texts, in individual words, when an ambiguity of pronunciation cannot be easily resolved from context alone. Arabic dictionaries with vowel marks provide information about the correct pronunciation to both native and foreign Arabic speakers. In art and calligraphy, harakat might be used simply because their writing is considered aesthetically pleasing. Some Arabic textbooks for foreigners now use harakat as a phonetic guide to make learning reading Arabic easier. The other method is used in textbooks is phonetic romanization of unvocalized text. Fully vocalized Arabic text, i.e. text with harakat, are sought after by learners of Arabic. Some online bilingual dictionaries also provide harakat as a phonetic guide, similar to English dictionaries providing transcription. Harakat or short vowel marks in Arabic literally means motions. The fatha is a small diagonal line placed above the letter and represents a short ah sound such as ka. The dhamma is a small curl-like diacritic placed above the letter and represents a short u sound such as ku. The kasra is a diagonal line placed below the letter and represents a short e sound such as ki. And the sukoon is a circle-shaped diacritic placed above the letter. It indicates that the consonant to which it is attached is not followed by a vowel, that is, zero vowel, such as k. The three vowel diacritics may be doubled at the end of the word to indicate that the vowel is followed by the consonant n. They may or may not be considered harakat and are known as tanween or nunation. The signs indicate from right to left. An, un, in. An is used for the accusative case and also serves as an adverbial marker. Un is used for the nominative case and in is used for the genitive case. So these letters in this case would be pronounced as follows: kan for double fatha, kun for double dhamma, and kin for double kasra. And here is an example for the letter kaf again with the three long vowels. Notice that long vowels are demonstrated by adding one of three letters, alif, waw, or ya. Over here they are used to articulate long vowel sounds and do not function as consonants. They would be read out as ka, ku, ki. In this example, the word yad, which means hand in Arabic, the letter ya is a consonant, but in the word kitabi, which means my book, the letter ya is a long vowel. And here you can see the letters waw and ya behaving as diphthongs or semi-vowels. Example, kaw, kay. Another proto-Semitic feature of Arabic is its root space system. For example, the letters ka, ta, ba form the word kataba, which is a root word from which all that is related to writing is derived. The verb kataba means to write. If you add to this 3-consonant-based template the prefix ma, it will indicate maktab, which is the name of the place where writing takes place, such as desk or office or study room. If you add to this 3-consonant-based template the infixation alif, it will indicate katib, writer or the person who writes. Note that infixations were more commonly used than suffixes and prefixes to create new words. In addition to having words composed of consonantal roots onto which vowels are added, the Arabic language has a 3-case declension system: the nominative case, the accusative case, and the genitive case. For example, kataba katibun. Katibun is the subject of the sentence and hence is in the nominative case, marked with double dhamma at the end. Katibun, the sound un. Ra'aytu katiban. Katiban is in the accusative case because it's the object of the sentence and it's marked with double fatha at the end. Katiban, and the sound is an. Marartu bi katibin. Katibin is in the genitive case and it's marked with double kasra at the end and the sound is in. Katibin. The Arabic language also uses singular, dual, and plural forms for nouns, verbs, and adjectives. For example, one writer would be katib. Two writers, which is in the dual form, would be katiban. Three or more writers would be in the plural form, and that would be katibun. The Arabic language has also voiced, voiceless, and emphatic consonants. Pronunciation for voiced consonants is accompanied by a buzzing of the vocal cords, such as the letters ba, ta, jim, ayn, ghayn. Voiceless consonants are pronounced without vibration of the vocal cords, such as the letters tha, ha, sin, ta, fa. Emphatic consonants are those that produce a darkened effect with the rear of the tongue towards the roof of the mouth, such as dad, ta, dha, qaf. Letters that are circled are common between two categories. Arabic has a strong resemblance to proto-Semitic languages in syntax as well, such as a typical verb-subject order, which was presumably similar in proto-Semitic languages. However, note that such proto-Semitic syntactical feature and others have been dropped by more than half of modern colloquial dialects, which are different to the bookish, typical classical Arabic.